Hello! Today I am making Betty Crocker's Oreo chocolate lava cake. You can buy this box from any grocery store. I got mine from Walmart. This box comes with Oreo pieces, lava cake mix, and baking cups. Place a third cup of butter in a medium microwave-safe bowl. Cover and microwave until melted. Add the butter into your mixing bowl, along with the lava cake mix. Also make sure this bowl is microwave safe. Stir until combined. Microwave for another 20 seconds. Don't forget to take the fork out. Then add 2 eggs. Stir for about 1 minute until very well blended. Don't forget to scrape the sides so there are no powder pockets. Mix one last time, and then divide the batter between the foil cups. This will end up to be about a third cup each. Place some Oreo cookie pieces on top of each, which will be about 1 tablespoon. Place the cups on a baking sheet. Any size baking sheet is fine, this is just to hold the cups. Bake at 400 Fahrenheit or 205 Celsius for 13 minutes, or until the sides are set and the centers are soft. Set it aside for 2 minutes and then it will be ready. In order to get the cake out of the baking cups, run a knife around the sides of the cups to loosen it. Place a small serving plate upside down over each cup, and then turn the plate and cup over. Give it a few taps and then you will be able to remove the foil cup. Make sure you serve the cakes immediately or else it won't be as gooey. I hope you enjoy!